important updates in regards to the BLW Autotrader. This video is to give you information about what's coming up next and how you can benefit from the changes that I'm gonna make in the BLW Autotrader. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, we're gonna talk about the changes that I'm making into the BLW Autotrader so you can actually start getting ready, because this is gonna blow your mind. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary, Forex, crypto, any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button below, smash the like if you find value at any point during this video, and let's begin. All right, so first of all, what's the BLW Autotrader? For those of you who are not familiar with it, the BLW Autotrader is an actual MT4 application that I created based on my US 30 and NASDAQ strategy for breakouts. Well, there's pretty much not much to say in regards to this specific Autotrader, basically because you probably already know it. Like, it's the only robot that I've been using. It has a potential 10 to 20% profits every single month. Therefore, it has been the best robot ever since last year. If you want to check it out, the BLW Autotrader, the link is in the description of this video, is blwautotrader.com. And more importantly, one thing that you got to keep in mind is that it's super cheap and fully automated. And this new version, I'm gonna share with you and so on, but this new version is basically meant to be more aggressive and therefore make more money. We're gonna see how that goes, but yeah, this is what it is. Before I actually jump into the updates in regards to, I just want to give you a shout out pretty much to All Prime, which is the best prop firm for 2026. What is All Prime? Is basically a funded company that allows you to buy an actual account with more money so that you can increase those profits exponentially. What I mean is that, for instance, for $200, $239 at the time recording this video, you could actually buy a $100,000 account. What you can do with this $100,000 account is pretty much pass the challenge, which is only 8% profits twice, and then whatever money you are able to make with this specific account, you can withdraw up to 95% of profits. Meaning that if you are able to make $8,000, let's say $10,000 a month, you withdraw $9,500 and the company keeps the $500. As cool as that. So if you want to use this amazing and trusted prop firm that allows you to withdraw up to 1 hour fast withdrawals, I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video. And by any chance, at the time that you're watching this video, there are no discounts, which is weird because they always have discounts. You can use the promo code BLW15, BLW15, and you'll get a 15% off on any account that you get infinitely. You can buy as many accounts with this 15% off and you're gonna be good to go. I'll leave you the invitation to All Prime. The link's in the description of this video. All right, so the current version of the BLW Autotrader is basically like this. It will trade during New York market opens every day at 8:20 Central Standard Time. Well, 8:20, 8:29, it activates and it actually chooses the best support and resistance level possible. And then when there is a breakout, the trade gets activated. As simple as that. Now, the cool thing in regards to this Autotrader is that it will only look for the breakouts on US 30 and NASDAQ, and only during the New York session opening time, which means that if 1 hour goes by and it gets 10 a.m. and it has a breakout, we're not going to trade. The robot is not going to trade there. The reason why is because I created it specifically in order to protect to choose the volume on the New York market opens. You already know what's that like. I'm going to put some videos in regards to Forex in the corners, and I trade every single day using the same strategy, and we make tons of money every single day live in my live trading room. But the robot will do that automatically, which makes it like cool for those of you who can't really sit in the computer and trade. So this is going to be passive income. This is the current version. The current version is actually looking New York market opens and is placing one trade per day per asset, and only if it finds it. Like if it has one trade only on US 30 and it doesn't move good on NASDAQ, it's just going to place one trade on US 30. What happens if you lose the trade? It's not going to trade anymore. Therefore, you're able to actually risk, let's say 2% per trade, and you're still within a pretty good money management, or even 5% in your real account, right? It will only place one trade per day, but this has been a downside because sometimes we lose the trade and then it finds a new opportunity, but since the previous trade was actually lost, it won't enter again. Therefore, here comes the new version. The new version will actually place more trades during the day. What you can do is that you can lower the percentage, and therefore it's just gonna enter the first trade. If it's a winner, that's cool. If it activates one more time, then if it's a winner, you won too. But if you lose the first position and it finds a new opportunity, it is going to place that new trade. That's the coolest thing in regards to this new trading version. Obviously, you have to lower your risk because you're gonna have potentially more trades during the day. So keep that in mind. Lower the risk and you are going to have more trades. Controls will be added on this new version. So therefore, once you actually install it, I'm gonna have a full tutorial once it's ready, and you will be able to choose, for instance, the risk. And also, if you want more than one trade or one trade per day, that's it. You can continue to have it the way it is. You can stop after 2 trades. You can control all of that. That way, you get to choose exactly how you want to do it. Obviously, if you leave it as it is, it's going to be super aggressive. It could place 4, 5 positions, but I've actually been testing it on a different account and it has placed sometimes 5 positions and you win 2 of $2,000 and you lose 2 of $400. Therefore, you make $4,000 in profit and you lose $800. So you end up making $3,200. It's super aggressive, but very, very intuitive when it comes to the strategy. So yeah, that's the new version, and these are like the new controls that will be added so that you are good to go. Another powerful update. I'm actually working on having it available for cTrader. Yes, for cTrader. So if by any chance, because of your country or because you don't want to, you don't have MT4 available in your location, or MT5, by the way, it will be available on MT5, you can use it on cTrader. This is going to be massive. Because myself, I love cTrader. Now, I gotta work on the logistics on it because it has a whole different setup. I need to get familiar as well with the platform's robots, and then I'm gonna release it. But I'm working on it so that once you actually have it available, you could even potentially have it in one account on MT4, one account on cTrader, and one account on MT5. As cool as that. I mean, you will be able to have it on the 3 platforms. That's what I'm working on. So it should be amazing, and it can give you way more opportunities to actually trade with the robot. And one last update that I want to give you is that I am almost ready to actually share a gold robot. Yes, a gold robot will be added into this Autotrader, and it will be as an extra for you. As cool as that. What the robot is going to do is going to be looking for trends in gold. I've been using it for the past 3 weeks now, and man, the results are promising. One thing that you need to understand is obviously there are no perfect robots. It doesn't exist, but it's actually very good to have different options available for you guys. So if we go, let's say, and do just a little back testing here, you're gonna understand pretty much how it moves and so on. As usual, I'm gonna have it available with controls so that you could actually, potentially change the lot size and so on, the risk. But as you can see, it actually works on trending. as simple as that. And I'm just gonna leave it run. And as you can see, it actually does a pretty good trailing stop as it goes, as it continues. It goes with the trend. It will lose a couple trades. It's completely normal, but the overall picture of it is to be able to protect trades super fast and then move to make profits fast. So this robot will be available within a couple of weeks. The other version might take slightly a little bit longer, especially the cTrader will take longer, that's for sure. But the MT4 and MT5 version and the gold version will be available within a couple of weeks. Hopefully by the first week of February, we have this up and running. Just wait for my go in my free Telegram channel. Join my free Telegram channel below in the description of this video so that you can potentially know exactly when we will have it available. This will be working for pretty much anything. If your prop firm allows you to actually use an Autotrader, you will be able to use it. If not, you can just use it on your real account. It's completely up to you, but you get to see the results. Obviously there are drawdowns, but man, the potential on this robot is fantastic. That's the other update that I wanted to give you. Now let's go ahead and talk about the pricing, because I know this should be something that you're interested in to know. And the pricing is going to be exactly the same, $99.99 a month, and you'll get access to the indices robot, the gold robot, and on the indices, at least for now, you will have access to MT4, the MT5, and cTrader. And once I have it available, also the gold robot for MT5 and for cTrader, everything will be available right there. We're not gonna charge more. You're gonna get all of this extra stuff, and it's gonna be fully included in the same pricing. It's actually time to get excited and to get ready for the new version. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these new changes, and I'll be reading your comments. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button as usual to support this channel, and more importantly, leave a comment in case you have any questions or anything to share. Be subscribed for more. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.